starting on PC. Close quote. This will help maximize watch time, engagement, and discoverability for PC gamers facing startup problems. Chatch, complete step-by-step fix guide, Battlefield 6 PC Issue 1, update graphics drivers, must be 576.88 plus for NVIDIA. Open quote, the most common cause of launch and DX errors. Close quote, NVIDIA users, http://nvidia.com/index.aspx. Please open your app to see this link. AMD users, blah.amd.com/support. Please open your app to see this link. Battlefield 6 won't run properly below NVIDIA driver version 576.88. Natchfratch 2. Install, repair, DirectX, Visual C++, and .NET runtime. Open quote, required libraries may be missing or corrupted. Download DirectX end user runtime. Please open your app to see this link. Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Please open your app to see this link. .NET runtime. Please open your app to see this link. 3. Clear DirectX shader cache. Open quote prevents CreatePipelineState and E out of memory errors. Close quote. Open disk cleanup. Select drive C. Check DirectX shader cache. Click OK. Run game as administrator plus disable overlays. Open quote fixes black screen, crash on boot. Close quote. Right-click Game EXE, Properties, Compatibility, Run as Administrator. Turn off NVIDIA overlay, Steam overlay, Discord overlay. 5. Launch with DX11 if DX12 crashes. Open quote. Useful for unstable or low-end systems. Close quote. In EA App or Steam, Game Properties, Add Launch option. You can see the code in our conversation history. 6. Increase virtual memory page file. Open quote helps with DX out-of-memory issues. Close quote. System properties, advanced performance virtual memory. Set custom size. Initial 4096 megabytes, max 81192 megabytes or more. 7. Disable secure boot temporarily for anti-cheat or DX failures. Open quote fixes some bf6 event.exe and DX12 errors. Close quote. Enter BIOS, disable secure boot under boot tab. Reboot. Launch Battlefield 6. You can re-enable later if needed. 8. Verify game files. EA App, click Repair. Steam, right-click Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity. 9. Check background apps. Disable RGB tools, MSI Mystic Light, Asus Aura, Razer Cortex, MSI Afterburner, antivirus temporarily, reboot and try again. SEO video title, boosted and optimized, fix Battlefield 6 not launching, crashing, freezing, DirectX error and black screen on PC, 2025. Battlefield 6 not starting on PC, fix crashes, DX errors and freezing,